beauties, I hope that you are well. I am back after a few days of being under the weather. I missed doing my nails and I'm doing some nails today. So I ordered some nail art from Charlie's Nail Art Supplies, and I'm going to be showing you everything that I got as part of this mystery kind of pack. With the exception of the rhinestones in this package, everything is pretty new to me. Starting off with this glitter pack called a Mystic Lagoon, which has some beautiful blue and red colors in there. And then we got some Rhombus Lilac, I believe that's called. Oh, look at the shimmer on this. This is so pretty. That purple is my favorite color, by the way. Lilac, actually. And then we have some white glitter. Oh, this is so pretty. All you need is some clear polygel for that one. Pretty sure of that. Now, some of the pieces I think may have come separate. I'm not sure with this. Oh, that's probably one of the rinds. Oh my goodness, look at these. I have never seen these before. There's flamingos in here. There's some palm trees. There's some cactus. I definitely have to use that. Definitely have to use that. Now, like I said, I know about the rhinestones. That's actually one of the reasons I was on their website, because I wanted to get some rhinestones that I couldn't quite find on Amazon. So I got a few of these and they are so pretty. Now, I did buy a few from Amazon, so I'm going to be adding those to my collection as well. And these ones are like in the shape of a diamond. Then we have some more glitter. This one is cherry bomb. It would be so cool if this, was scented. Wouldn't that be cool? Definitely would be cool. And then I think these are foil transfers. Yes, so that says summer bouquet, I think it says. So it looks like a bright yellow kind of foil transfer, floral foil transfer. Now I did get I struggled a little bit trying to take this out. Obviously packaged with lots of love and packaged with lots of care, and obviously foil transfers tend to come loose if they aren't secured, so I can understand. Oh, we have a little coupon inside here as well. Thank you, Charlie. So if you guys want to take 10% off your order from Charlie's, please feel free to use that code. I don't get anything out of it. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not an ambassador. I'm nothing. I'm a customer just like you. Moving on to these. Oh my goodness. It's like a ring. I have never seen these before. That is so cute. You know what? I could do like a wedding set with that, or maybe even an engagement set of nails. Okay, I have so many ideas. Next, we have some water decals with some wonderful instructions on the back of this card as well. And you can see that they package everything themselves. Everything is cut out manually and prepared. So a lot of work goes into these small businesses. And I actually want to make it a habit of supporting small businesses moving forward. So if you know a nail art supply store that can ship to Ireland, and put it down in the comments, put some websites down in the comments, put some business name down in the comments, and I'll try my best. So this is the Mystery May bag for, oh my goodness, look at all the new stuff. I thought I saw these on Baby Girl nails. That's the only place I've seen the cards. I think, Baby Girl, if you're watching this, let me know. And then these are some butterfly. That is so cute. These are so cute. What a pleasant surprise this is. I love mystery bags. Look at this. This is so tropical. Reminds me of the Bahamas, my hometown back in the Caribbean. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have fun with that as well. And we have another kind of pink glittery one, as well as some rhinestones as well. I'm trying to see what color they are. They seem to have like a pinkness to them. Pink and dark, mysterious. Okay, they might match with this. No, I think it'd probably be too dark for that. So anyway, so back to this beautiful glitter, which is called Pink Mermaid. Nice, pretty glitter. We have some roses inside here, some pink and like a banana kind of color roses. And then we have this unicorn glitter that is so stinking pretty. It is so cute. Look at that shimmer. It is so gorgeous. This is so fun. I'm very happy with everything that came. I love mystery boxes, and I think I'm gonna order think I'm going to order for a few more times because I like these little surprises. And the purpose of, ordering these is I'm going to be doing a set of nails with no idea what I'm going to be getting. So by purchasing this mystery bag, I'm using the nail art. I'm going to be creating a nail set today with these nail art supplies. I just need to kind of figure out what I'm going to do. So let me just put these quickly away and then try to figure out what I'm going to do. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining the Tia Bella fam. I guess it's almost a family because it's almost 500 of you guys. I'm super excited. We are almost to 500. I really appreciate you guys. Some of you have been just going at it, tagging me on Instagram, forwarding it to your stories and just commenting and bringing up that watch time. I really appreciate all of you that are trying to help me so much. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Now, let's get into some nails. I'm experimenting today using this foil glue as a attempt at a DIY peel-off base. I don't know if it's gonna work. If it does, I'll let you know, but I'm just gonna apply this onto my nail. I've already applied base gel and cured that, and then I'm putting some foil glue on top of this. Now, to apply these nail tips to my nails, I'm gonna be testing out this Beetles gel, because usually I would apply just base gel and possibly polygel, but today I'm gonna see if I can test it out using Beetles gel from the brand called Amy Lee, and I purchased this off of Amazon. So now it's time to grab a pair of scissors and snip these bad boys down, and then this is how they are looking. Moving on, we were going to file using our 101 AG grip. That's how they look when they are filed. This is how they look when they are buffed. And this is how they look once I have cleaned it up and applied some base gel. Now let's move on to applying some polygel onto the nail. I'm going to be using this Modelones kind of pink nude to apply a small bead near the cuticle area of my nail and try to build some sort of apex. I'm still struggling in the apex department, but practice makes perfect, and I'm just going to start off with a small bead and then work my way. Once I'm done trying to form my apex, I'm now going to move on to the design, and what I'm going to be doing is kind of encapsulating this jelly polish. This is from the brand called Beetles. I will be using a pink jelly polish as well as a green jelly polish just to kind of tie in the design of that pink and green flamingo and palm tree decal from Charlie's Nail Art. So and one way you can do this is just apply the gel polish onto your nail and then encapsulate this, or you can actually mix clear polygel with this jelly polish. But I'm going to be doing kind of an ombre, so I'm taking this little ombre brush and I'm blending down that first layer. Once I'm done, I cure this under my UV lamp and then I apply a second layer. Once I'm happy with that second layer, then I'm going to go ahead and use some of the glitter from Charlie's Nail Art and apply them directly onto the nail. Honestly, no nail is complete without a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to take some of that unicorn glitter, just a tiny bit, just to add a little bit of sparkle to this nail. Once I'm done curing under my UV lamp, we are ready to encapsulate this design. So I'm going to grab my Modelones Clear Polygel and just apply a long strip to the entire nail, pat this into place using some of the base gel from Modelones as my solution, and then curing this under my UV lamp. Just gonna go ahead and move on to the other nails and just start off with a small bead of that pink to the base cuticle area, and then pat that into place, cure, apply some of the green gel polish onto this particular nail. This one is from Beetles as well. Cure this, apply 2 coats, and then encapsulate this design. For my index finger, after I have applied that small bead to the cuticle area, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of these wonderful decals, the flamingo and the palm tree, as well as the cactus. I'm going to also apply a little bit of that glitter as well to this nail and then encapsulate this. So this one will kind of be like the clear one. So for my thumb as well as my ring finger, I'm just going to take a long strip of this Modelones pink polygel to the entire nail and then pat this into place. I decided I was going to use some of the jelly polish on my thumb as well. And then for my ring finger, I decided to kind of slant it like a side French and just add some of those decals. And I think it turned out okay. So now that all the nails are practically done, it's time to file and shape these into place using my 100-180 file as well as my buffer. Okay, so here is how the nail is looking so far after I've spent at least 30 minutes trying to file and shape them into place. Filing takes a while and practice makes perfect. I'm nowhere near as good as a lot of people are, but hey, it's a work in progress. So I'm just gonna apply some top gel to all of my nails, except curing I won't be curing the ring finger because I'm gonna be adding some rhinestones to that finger as well. So this is how the crystal placement has turned out. I believe a commenter told me the exact term. I think I was calling it something else. Anyway, it reminds me of a pineapple, doesn't it? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you were able to stay in the entirety, please put a pineapple down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.